The current government has failed in all aspects, and when it comes to law and order situation in the state, it seems that the youth are being pushed to insurgency. This statement was made by Ardent Miller Basaiawmoit in the city on Tuesday. Quote, "The government has failed, and with the number of IED bombs being planted, there is an immediate need to strengthen the intelligence of the police department to curb the increasing trend of planting these bombs in different parts of the city," unquote, he said.
The absence of a strong political will and the failure of the existing political parties to live up to the expectations of the people, we have decided to float a new regional political party, namely Voice of the People Party, in short VPP, in order to bring about a political change in the state.
About peace talks between the HNLC and the state government, Ardent Basaiawmoit said that when the government itself has failed in delivering on many fronts, how will it expect the youth to accept talks with conditions preset by the government? He added that there is a need for the government to call the youth for peace talks so that they come above ground without any preconditions.